Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound not working in Escape from Tarkov on PC. If you're hearing no audio, low volume, or the game is completely silent, these steps will help you fix the issue quickly. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it. Click on Hardware and Sound, then click Sound. Inside the sound window, make sure your speakers or headphones are selected as the default device. Just click on your audio device and choose Set Default. Now launch Tarkov and test the sound. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab and make sure your volume isn't set to the lowest level or muted. Adjust it if needed, then click OK. Solution 3. Still within the audio device properties, open the Advanced tab. Set the sample rate to either 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. You can also uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. In the same sound window, open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, then click OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows check for and install any updates. Solution 6. Back in Device Manager. Right-click your audio device again and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and press Next. Wait for the installation to finish. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to complete. GPU drivers can affect in-game audio stability too. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Go to the Driver tab and click Search for Updates. If there's a new update, download and install it. Now launch Escape from Tarkov and check your sound. And that's it. You now know 8 solutions to fix sound issues in Escape from Tarkov on PC. Try them in order, and your audio should start working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you need help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.